My name is Linda Bailey. I'm the Director of Continuing Ed. We have about 22 camps going on. Last summer was the first time we offered coding. I think probably coding was the first one to fill up this year. Very early, way before the camp started. It was full with 12 in the morning and 12 in the afternoon. It was a teacher said that he wanted to put this camp together on coding, and so we purchased them, and we are holding it again this week actually. We have a morning camp and an afternoon camp. So the morning is for one age group, and then the older ones are like 13 to 15 are in the afternoons. I just thought it would be a big draw for the kids to learn and while they're having fun. And I like the experimental aspect of it. Thankfully, it went over well, so we're doing it again. I couldn't ask for a better response. From last year, some of the kids said this is their evaluation. I enjoyed the balance between experimental time and instruction. Coming in, I knew nothing about computer coding, and now I can program. Programming will now be one of my hobbies. I found my experience at this camp to be fun and awesome. I thought it was cool to actually be writing real code. I thought the camp was very hands-on, and I learned a lot. It was a completely new offering for us. Been very happy with the decision to go with it.